City family, what's going on, baby? We out here at the field. I know it's been a while since I gave y'all some footage of the horses, so that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna get y'all some footage of the horses, so y'all just hold tight with me. I went and got me a headpiece for my GoPro, so I'm gonna try it out and see how it work out, see if I can get y'all some good footage. So y'all just hold tight and I'm gonna pick y'all back up here in a minute. Whoa, Rock. Whoa. How you doing, boy? Stretch your legs out. Get around there. Get around that coat. Get on around that coat. Hey. Get your feet moving. Hey. Whoa. Whoa. Good boy. Get up here. Hey, get up here. Get on up here. Easy. Good boy. You catch on quick, son. You catch on quick. We need to brush you off. Hey, get behind me. Hey, get behind me. Get behind me. Put out it. I said, whoa, whoa. Ain't nobody trying to load you. Y'all, my truck, I gotta get another transmission for my truck, so not gonna be able to load him today. We don't get no video loading him. Get up here. Let's brush you off. That's what I wanted to do today, but not gonna get a chance to do it. Don't get in them ants. Don't get in them ants, Rock. Hey, get out of them ants. We better move to the other side. Big old ant pile right there. Whoa. Whoa. You're not scared of no brush. Look. Brush. Whoa. Whoa. Been sitting out there in the field rolling around. About 4 more months, y'all, he will be 2, and we might try to go ahead and start putting the saddle on him, and well, he already had a saddle on him and everything, but nobody been on his back yet. But about 4 more months, he'll be about ready for that. Whoa. Whoa yourself. Whoa. He was growing fast, and he just stopped growing for a while. So we're gonna just see, give him some time, see if he get any bigger. That'll determine whether or not we're gonna put that saddle on him and start riding him. But I might put the saddle on him today just to work him, do some groundwork. We'll see. We will see. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa yourself. Whoa. Whoa. You not scared of no brush. Whoa. 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 Look, it's just a brush. Look. Just a brush. See? I'm just brushing you off. Whoa. 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 Why you acting so skittish? See that? Just a brush. I'm just brushing you off. We're gonna get you to break a good sweat today, cause your butt ain't been worked in a little bit. We're gonna check your feet out, see if we need to clean them, and learn a few things. You gonna learn some stuff, and I'm gonna learn some stuff. All right. Whoa, I can touch you all I want. I can touch you all I want. See that? I guess we can go ahead and check your feet out. Whoa. Whoa. You gonna make me tie you up close? You better simmer down. So, you see how these bars is? His feet need to be trimmed. All right, y'all, so now we just gonna put this saddle on him. Whoa, look, so you just start out by letting him smell it. Let him know it ain't gonna harm him. Let him smell it, rub it on him a little bit. Which he didn't already had it on him, but I'm just showing y'all for demonstration purposes. Now he ain't never had no bits in his mouth. I'm gonna see if these bits will fit in his mouth today. Just getting him used to a saddle band on him and stuff like that. See that? Just a saddle. Rub him with it a little bit. Put it on his, whoa. Put it on his back. You don't want to be real quiet and all that. I like to make a lot of noise so he can get used to all that. I don't want no horse that all timid and stuff every time you get ready to fool with him. So I like to make a little noise. He really need a smaller girth, but we're gonna make this one work. Well, hey, whoa, I say. Yeah, this one here smaller, look like. Now, let's do a little groundwork with this saddle on. Like I said, this is his first time having some bits in his mouth. Get around, son. Get around. Hey, get around. Hey. He trying to figure out what that is in his mouth, y'all. He playing with the bits. That might be more of a distraction than anything. Hey, get around. Hey, get around. Get around. Get around. Hey, hey, hey. Yeah, these bits got him confused, so we're gonna try a little something different. Whoa. Well, back up then. Back on up. Back on up. Back up. Since you want to back up so goddamn much, back up. We'll back up till you get tired. Back up. Then we'll teach you that going around might be easier. Back on up. Back. Back up. Back. Pick your feet up. Back up. Back. Back. Back on up then. Back. Back on up. We'll back on up. We'll go all the way to town, backing up. See? Now I think he's tired. There you go. Let him go easy. As long as he going, that's all we want. Movement. That's all we want. Back. Get around. As long as he moving, we ain't gonna press him no more. We ain't gonna press him no more. As long as he moving. Alright. Give him a little pressure if he want to act like he won't stop. Get around. There you go. There you go, son. That's a boy. Good, son. Alright. Give him a little pressure if he act like he won't stop. That's it. Hey. Get around. Also, I'm kissing at him, letting him know that means I want him to move. So he'll learn that command. While I'm riding him, I just kiss at him. Next thing you know, he moving. Good job, son. So he get to going by himself. We're whoa, whoa, whoa. Get up here. Get on up here. See what a little sweater do? Good job. Now I reward him. I reward him. Let him know he did good. Now, come on, let's go get these bits out your mouth. All right, y'all. So we're gonna get on Millie for a minute. Work with her just a little bit. She's nothing but a 3-year-old standard bred. Whoa. See, she already got that spunk in her. She ready to go already. Look out now. Look out now. You got it. All right now. Yeah. Whoa. Hey, whoa, whoa. Yeah. She slipped. Well, y'all, she limping, so I'm gonna walk her back. She got a limp to her. I don't know if y'all can see her tonight, but she's limping. So we're gonna walk her back and put her back up and treat her. See what's going on with her. All right, Dub City family, so I done made it back. Finna put this horse up. I think half the problem why she slipped, which I should have known better, her feet are super long. So next video, y'all probably gonna see me trimming her up, but you can see how long her feet are, how much growth she got. So all these shoes finna get ready to come off, and she finna get a trim. Oh, mama. So all that's gonna get corrected. So that might be my next video. If that's what y'all want to see, I give it to y'all. I don't know. So let me get this horse put up, and I'm finna ease on back to the house and get something to eat, cause I'm hungry. So she's still limping. We're gonna treat that. See, she's still limping, y'all. Get on back. Get back, Rock. Hey, get on back. Let's see if she take off on her own like she normally do when I let her go. I imagine she probably just sprained it. So we just gonna keep an eye on it and doctor on it. But as you can see, she limping on it. So I ain't gonna push her no more. Oh, it's hurting her pretty bad. So let me feed and water these horses, and I'm finna get on. Oh, another thing. I see y'all watching the videos. Do me a favor. Stop right now what you're doing and go down there and hit that subscribe button. The subscribers ain't matching up to the views. So y'all just do me a favor. I would appreciate that. Just hit that subscribe button, like the video, and comment. I'll talk back to you. So yeah, y'all do that for me. So we'll see y'all on another episode of Life with Dub City.